My attention is always on your Kundalini. You cannot play tricks in Sahaja Yoga. Take it from me. Anybody who tries to play any trick will be very badly punished. So please be very, very careful not to be dishonest and not to play tricks in Sahaja Yoga. I won't do anything, but here they are. You see already with all his teeth. They are all fixed quantities, I have told them. They are fixed quantities. They know what to do and they will do it. So there is no need to play any tricks in Sahaja Yoga. This is another mistake of Sahaja Yogis, that they think they can play tricks with me or with Sahaja Yoga. When those things come into your head, I would say these are demonic ideas, because they will destroy you completely. On one side, Sahaja Yoga is a blessing. Absolutely blessing on the ascent, you go ahead like that. You go to a height, but you must know also you have reached the height, you have to be very careful to be there, because once you fall from that height, how deep you will go? It's logical again to see that you will fall very low. So here you are having the blessings, all the beauties, all the love, all the joy, all the knowledge, all the friends, all the care. And there, if you don't want to be here, just because you are playing tricks, you want to be here and play tricks, that is not possible. That doesn't work out. You are immediately thrown out. And once you are thrown out, God knows where you will go. That's not our lookout. But you are thrown out by these. So one has to know that the deities are extremely alert. And they are watching all of you. Because they have to guard you, they have to look after you, they have to help you, they have to do everything for you. They have to work out everything for you. They are the ones who create flowers for you, they are doing all kinds of good things for you. But at the same time, they are only attached to me. All of them. Not to you. Because you are my children, they are looking after you. Once you try to misbehave, you are finished. And you go down. But the compassion of your mother is so great that she always tries to forgive, give chances, and tells those deities to keep quiet. Of course, they obey. Up to a point. But if you want to be nasty people, if you want to be cruel, if you want to be sinful, and stay in Sahaja Yoga, you cannot. It's not like any religion as you saw yesterday, that you commit any mistakes, do what you like, kill anyone, cheat anyone, and still be there. It's not like that. Here you have to be Sahaja Yogi in the real sense of the word. And this is why one has to understand